morning vlog. Sorry, you know, I was just trying something out. You know, I'm still not the best at intros, but then yeah, there's that. Anyway, so I'm already like ready to go. Like I had a late morning. I was in bed at like till like 9 something a.m. I'm usually up around like 7:30 a.m. So it's a little later, a little bit, but I want to do something different today. You know, I'm like getting tired of the same old thing. So, you know, I wanted to do something else today. So, also, I'm wearing a shirt that I created. I don't know if you can see the back, but I guess I can just show you on my computer. Hold on. So basically, I have been working on a store, and I have like 10 stuff on there already. And this isn't, I'm not promoting it, I'm just showing you guys because I'm excited. I just started it, so this is what I have so far. Got like a cool little hat situation, some joggers, you know what I'm saying? Pillow, mug. Yes sir, yes sir. That's the shirt that I'm wearing. I can show you guys the back of it and what it says, because I couldn't get like a really good shot of it, but yeah, happiness is not something ready made. It comes from your own actions. Dalai Lama. So that's kind of like the theme of everything. It all kind of has like a cool little motivational quote on each item, right? I didn't know there was a park around the end of the trail, and I've never been to it. So I figured, you know, why not check it out, you know? And go for a walk. It's a really long walk. It's like 3 miles there, 3 miles back. So yeah, it's a very long walk. But you get to discover something new, and it's good exercise. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing for this vlog. So, and I'm taking you guys with me. So I'm just getting my stuff ready to go, packing it up, and yeah, we'll be on our way. Get some snacks too, cause I'm gonna get hungry. So yeah. I made it to the park, and oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. This whole entire walk has just been so beautiful. It's like really nice here. I'm just wondering if someone's gonna see me and they're gonna be like, who does she think she is? Like, and there's actually not a lot of people here, which I'm actually glad there's not a lot of people here. It's really quiet and like peaceful. Oh, I see somebody. Would it be crazy if I just set up my camera and just like run in the field? I don't want to look like a lunatic. Oh my gosh, that was actually really fun. probably getting eaten up by a whole bunch of mosquitoes, but honestly, I'm so glad I went out for a walk and did this, because I think it's important. Number one, yeah, exercise is important, but it's also important to just change up your routine and, you know, do something else. And even if it's just to get some air, honestly, like, I can't remember the last time I really just came out in nature and just sat and looked, or even walked and looked around and just appreciate just the beautiful scenery and stuff, as corny as it sounds, but it really is like breathtaking. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Like, and yes, don't judge me, I am sitting at the playground. But yeah, I don't know, like, it's good to just slow down, sit back, and even just to like relax for a second, think about life, things like that. So I'm really glad I took this walk, but now I'm hot and I'm about to eat my snacks, so yeah, and then I'll probably start heading back home, honestly. But I did like 4 miles over here, and now I gotta walk like 4 miles back. Like, that's insane. And my arm's getting tired holding this camera up, but yeah. That's wild. And it's hot. It's starting to get hot too. I'm starting to regret it. No, I'm just kidding. I don't regret it. These are the snacks that I got. Some off-brand Oreos. And a parfait for my walk. I'm so excited to eat that. And you know, honestly, I didn't mean to, but I grabbed a fork for the parfait. I should have got a spoon. Yeah, okay, well, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and head back while I eat on this, and I'll meet you guys at the house. I'm tired. If you're curious how long that was, hold on. That was like 3 hours. 3 hours, 700 kcal. Almost 800 burned. In about like 7.5 miles. I'm like so tired. I so need this right now. Yeah, not gonna lie, I was about to edit the vlog, or edit yesterday's vlog, but I'm gonna take a nap. We gonna do that first, so yeah. I'll see you guys when I'm ready to edit. No free foot pics. So I just got done sleeping, and now I am editing yesterday's vlog that needs to be uploaded today. So, and it's 5 o'clock now, so I was early yesterday and now I'm like late today, so we love that. Day 4 vlog is out. Happy about that. I will see you guys tomorrow. The thing is, I'm probably not gonna have a whole lot like of stuff for you tomorrow, just because I have to go to my actual job, so there might not be much tomorrow. It might be like a 3-minute vlog or something, I don't know. we'll have to see. But yeah. Anyway, night night. See what we can come up with tomorrow.